viewers. Today we'll be looking at the topic which says Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem. This theorem works with the right angle triangle. So given a right angle triangle, how will you know a right angle triangle? This degree here, which is a 90 degree, that is what determines a right angle triangle. So given any right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of this side plus the square of the other side. In other words, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of the given right angle triangle. Or you say the side opposite this 90 degree is called the what? Hypotenuse. So now let's solve some examples. This missing side here, x. First of all, we check if this is a right angle triangle before applying the Pythagoras theorem. Now, since there's a 90 degree here, we conclude that this is a right angle triangle. Now what do? The hypotenuse sides all squared equal to 4 square plus 3 square. This is x square equals to 4 square means 4 times 4, not 4 times 2. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 times 3, which is 9. So we have x square equals 25. For this square to go away, we take the square root of both sides. Now when we take the square root of both sides, we have that x is equal to square root of 25 is 5. So this missing side here, or this x, is equal to what? 5. Let's see one more example to make this clearer. Now also, suppose we are asked to find this missing side here, the value of y. No matter how they draw this triangle, we should always locate that hypotenuse. So we check which one is the longest side, or the side facing this angle 90 here is 10. So we have 10 square is equal to y square plus 8 square. So for easy solving, the hypotenuse should be on one side and you put others in the other side. 10 square is what? 100, which is 10 times 10, equal to y square plus 8 square is what? 64. So we now collect like terms. 100, this 64 coming over to this side becomes what? Minus 64. Whenever a side is crossing the equality sign, that sign changes. If it's plus, it changes to minus. If it's minus, it changes to plus. Equal to y square. This y square remains the same. 100 minus 64 is 36, equals to y square. We do the same thing. We take the square root of both sides. So when we take the square root, we have that y equals to square root of 36 is what? 6. So whenever you are given a problem and you notice that it is a right angle triangle, you apply the what? The Pythagoras rule or the theorem, which says that what? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That is, hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This is where we end our teaching for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video.